Welcome dear student in one another session in a pharmaceutics first session. In this session we see the distillation, what is meant by distillation and its type. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students are able to understand and recognize what is distillation process, type of distillation processes. In that today we see the simple distillation, distillation under reduced pressure, fractional distillation and vacuum still, which is the part of the distillation under reduced pressure. Let's start the session. First of all, we see what is distillation process. Distillation is the process of converting liquid into the vapors by heating and reconverting it again into the liquid by condensing the vapors. That means condensation of the vapors. It is the method of separating the substance which differ in their vapor pressure. Whenever two drugs or two liquids have a different vapor pressure, we can be distilled out and we can separate it out. The distillation process is carried out in an apparatus which is consist of a still, which is a round bottom flask in which a volatile material is boiled, and it also contains condenser in which vapors are condensed or vapors are created, and they can created in the steel and that can be condensed or saturated into the condenser. Then receiver collect this distillate. Then we see the types of the distillation processes. Following are the various types: simple distillation, distillation under reduced pressure, fractional distillation, steam distillation and destructive distillation. First of all, we see what is meant by simple distillation. It is a process of converting a liquid into the vapor in a distillation still, transferring the vapor to another place, condensing it again into the liquid. This is the simple distillation, or this can be used in the laboratory scale also. The process of converting the vapor to the distillation still and transferring these vapors into the condenser, and from that we get the condenser. There is a continuous flow of cool water. This is the figure of the diagram of the simple distillation. This is the condenser which can be contain the water inlet and outlet continually. This is the still. From this still vapors can be created or vapors can form, and these vapors are come into this condenser, and in this condenser, outside of this condenser inside the condenser there is a tube from which vapors can travel, and our outer place where the water is continuous flow of water is traveling there, and these hot vapors are converted into the liquid one, and they are connected or they are received into this receiver. Apparatus used for the laboratory scale. It consists of a distillation flask with a side arm sloping downwards which is connected to the condenser. The condenser vapors are collected in the flask called as a receiver. The whole apparatus is made up of a glass. Distillation flask should be of such a size that it can contain half to third half of the liquid to be distilled out. The thermometer is fitted in the distillation flask and note down the temperature at which these vapors are present. This is the figure. We see the figure. This is the figure, receiver. This is thermometer, burner, all that. Bumping. For avoiding the bumping, temperature to control the temperature or maintaining the temperature. Bumping avoiding by adding of a piece of porcelain or porcelain pot before the distillation. For the bumping of this still, add a porcelain. Application of simple distillation in pharmacy. It is used in the preparation of distilled water and water for injection. Many volatile oils, aromatic waters are prepared by using the simple distillation. Organic solvents are purified by distillation method, simple distillation. Many official compounds are prepared by distillation. Example of its spirit. Then the next is the distillation under reduced pressure. We see the theory behind that. Liquid boil, or whenever the liquid boils when the vapor pressure is equal to that of atmospheric pressure. The boiling point of the liquid may be lowered to desired temperature by reducing the pressure on its surface. If we reduces the vapor pressure, then boiling point also be lowered one. This can be possible. This is the assembly or of the distillation under reduced pressure. This is the screw round bottom flask, or this is the Claisen flask, improper or impure liquid, and this is the temperature to control the temperature, or to maintain the this is the thermometer to maintain the or record the temperature. This is the condenser, and this is the receiver. This is the receiver, and this receiver contain a pump where can be a reduced pressure can be applied. Apparatus used in the laboratory scale. It consists of a double neck distillation flask known as a Claisen flask. It is one of its neck, and there is a thermometer is fitted, and the second neck capillary tube is fitted, which prevent the bumping and heating of the liquid. The capillary tube should be so lined as to permit only a slow stream of bubble, which can be controlled with a pinch cork, thick walled glass apparatus with the interchangeable standard glass joints are used for the vacuum distillation. The Claisen flask is connected to the receiver through the condenser. Vacuum pump is attached to the receiver to attain the desired degree of vacuum. Heating of a Claisen flask is not started until the desired vacuum has been attained. Application in pharmacy. It is used in the concentration of to prepare the concentration of extracts containing the thermolabile, that is heat sensitive drug, to avoid or prevent their destruction. It is used for separating the substance which undergo decomposition when heated under the normal atmospheric pressure. In this distillation under reduced pressure, we can control its vapor pressure by applying pressure on it. So before the boiling point drug can be boiled, and we can avoid its decomposition. It is used for obtaining the light porous mass on the distillation of the liquid extract. Then vacuum still. Vacuum stills are employed for distillating substance under reduced pressure on a large scale. This is the vacuum still which is used in the large scale. Vacuum still is generally made up of stainless steel or any other material which can withstand high vacuum. The steel is connected to the condenser. This is the condenser. The vacuum is created by means of a vacuum pump. For creating a vacuum pump is used in the vacuum steel. Vacuum steel is filled by attaching a pipe to the tap in a lower part of a hood, and the pump is started. The other end of the pipe dips into the liquid to be distilled so that can be drawn into the steel. Then operation or observation window in the wood is very helpful to operate and to see the progress of the distillation, and also level of the content of liquid to be distilled. Two receivers are generally attached to the condenser in order to collect the distillate without stopping the distillation, so that they need a two distillation, and this process can be operated mechanically. That's why the speed is also high. However, may be used alternatively by a suitable arrangement of the corks. Application in the pharmacy. Distillation of a substance that have a high boiling point at atmospheric pressure. Distillation of thermolabile substances that get damaged by the high temperature. Removal of last trace of volatile oil can be possible with the vacuum still. Then the next is the fractional distillation, or it is known as the distillation of miscible liquids. Theory behind that: when a substance is dissolved in a liquid, the vapor pressure of a liquid is lowered. When two miscible liquids are mixed together, each will act as a solute or solvent for the other. So, when the mixture of such a liquid is heated, vapor pressure of each is lowered. The pressure exerted by each liquid in the mixture is known as the partial pressure. The liquid boils when the sum of these partial pressure, that means two liquids pressure, is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Vapor arising from these two miscible liquid at the boiling point is richer in the component exerting the greater partial pressure. Then we see the apparatus used for the laboratory scale. This is the apparatus used for the laboratory scale for the fractional distillation. Apparatus used for the laboratory scale is shown in the figure, and which has a fractionating column fitted with a distillation flask. This is the distillation flask, this is the cork, and above that this fractionating column is fitted in this fractional distillation. After that, this is the distillation adapter, and where the condenser can be fitted, and this is the receiver. This is the adapter and this is the receiver. Fractional column is used for continuous separation of two miscible liquid. Here this is used for fractional distillation, is used for to separate the miscible liquids, and this fractionating column can be helpful to separate out this. Long fractionating column is used in the mixture where the boiling point is quite close to the each other, and short fractionating column is used in those cases where there is a considerable difference in the boiling point and the mixture of the miscible drugs. In fractional distillation, the mixture of miscible liquid is heated in the still. The vapor forms are allowed to pass through the fractionating column where the part of the vapor is condensed, and while returning to the still come into an intimate contact with the rising vapors, resulting in further fractionation of the liquid being distilled. The liquid with the higher boiling point is condensed first, and vapors become richer with the liquid having the lower boiling point, which get condensed in a condenser. That means the higher boiling points liquid get first of all condensed from that, and remaining is the liquid which has the lower boiling point, and in this way they can be separated. Application in the pharmacy. Alcohol is purified from the mixture of alcohol and water obtained from the fermentation tank. For the separation of the alcohol, it is used for the separation of the miscible liquids such as the alcohol and water, acetone and water, chloroform and benzene. These are the soluble liquids, and this miscible liquid separation fractional distillation is used. Then we move towards the summary session. In this session, we covered the point distillation process, type of the distillation process, in that simple distillation, distillation under reduced pressure, vacuum still, and fractional distillation. Thank you very much for attending this session.